Check it out, y'all. Got some Ammo Inc. It's a range pack, 150 cartridges of a 40 Smith & Wesson 180 grain, and this is what we're shooting out of today. Glock 20, 10 mil. Oh, this little one too. This is the 29, 10 mil. Let me drop that, man. That's actually what's in this one. I don't know what's in this one to be. Oh, that might be that Fort Scott. I don't want to shoot that. I don't want to shoot that at that. There's a a couple stems right there. There's a target. 3 targets, 10, 4, and 8. Let's see what we can do. Anyways, oh yeah, this is still a 10 mil barrels in here. All right, y'all. I'm about 10 yards away. Let's see what I can hit. Woo! That shrapnel's flying backwards at me. Yeah. All right, this time, the Glock 29 at about 10 yards. All right, y'all, this time I'm going back up the hill, and that's going to be about 25 yard shot right here. So let's see how good I am with the 20. We're going with the 20 up here on this mountain. Hey, don't forget to double tap that like and subscribe button.